you need to know about this Alpha Strike. Now, since there is no mag and no removable attachments, the only thing I can do right now is load the gun. So what you want to do is take this bullet, put it in. You want to see this black thing right here? Pull it back until you hear that click. Then take a bullet, put it in this orange slot right here. Now you got it loaded. So now you can stand up, kneel, or you can go prone. So I'm gonna stand up. But if you put your cheek like this, this thing has to come back, so it would hit your cheek, and trust me, I've felt that before, and it was not something you want to feel. So you want to go like this, maybe put your cheek right here, and then you can fire. Holy. Now, I'm gonna do a quick reload. So, as I told you, you want to pull it back when it's empty. You want to take a bullet. You want to put it in the orange slot. Not this hole in that orange slot. Put the
Can we see the orange slot?
So this is the orange slot. So here is the orange slot. Here is the hole.
Okay, can we see you putting it in?
You're supposed to place the bullet in the hole, but the hole's in the slot. So you can see I didn't just put it open in the slot. I have it in the hole, some sticking out in the slot because you need it to. Now, spawn ready. Now you know how to fire an Alpha Strike.
Have fun firing your Alpha Strike.